How to withdraw your money in Hamster Kombat. So hello everyone, so in today's video, I will show you guys on how to withdraw your money in Hamster Kombat. So without further ado, let us begin. So the first thing that we need to do is just to open up Hamster Kombat. So I'll just click on play right here, wait for that to load, and then there you go. I'm already here in Hamster Kombat. So the first thing that you need to do is just to choose your exchange. So what you want to do is just click on this gear icon right here. And then what you want to do is just go to choose exchange. And then from here, you want to choose what kind of wallet you want to exchange this with. So for me, I'm using Binance. But there are also a lot of other options that you can choose right here for your exchange. But as of now, since Hamster Kombat is not yet live, so it's not a live coin, you still cannot withdraw or cash out your money from here. So all you have to do now is just wait until the coin goes live. But before the coin goes live, what you want to do is just to set up your wallet from here. So what you want to do is just go to airdrop right here. And then what you want to do is just to connect your Ton wallet. So what you want to do is just click on connect your Ton wallet. And then from here, it will ask you connect your crypto wallet. So if you don't have one, you can create one in your Telegram account. So just click on connect your Ton wallet, and then from here you'll have a vast majority of options in which wallet you want to connect. So for me, I'll just open up a wallet in Telegram. So I'll just click on that, and then I'll just click on connect wallet, and then there you go. So my wallet has now been connected in Hamster Kombat, and then there you go. So yeah, so all you have to do now is just wait until the coin goes live. So yeah, so all you have to do is just to connect your crypto wallet or your Ton wallet, and then just wait for the coin to go live so that it'll be easier and faster for you to cash out or withdraw your money from here. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to withdraw your money in Hamster Kombat.